I wonder ko ilang emails na meron ako.
Yeah, me too. And how many notifications?
I wonder how many emails I have. Kalahating araw, ang dami na eh. And I've been gone for 3 weeks.
Kuya Ting, putulan mo naman kami ulit ng ganito. Bigal.
Or mentions on Twitter.
Sabi ni Bigal kay Steve, nakapasok ka na ba sa loob?
Saka meron.
Kaya lang ni Kuya yung tungkol sa nangyari ka po.
Ano sinabi mo?
Iya ako eh.
I'm gonna do push-ups now.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you said you want to do
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Sige, tomorrow.
Alright.
Just bored.
Hinawaan ka naman.
Okay lang yan. Grabe, tulog. Natulog sila.
Grabe yung mukha mo.
Push-up.
Tisoy na tisoy.